Hello again. Now, after we've done with task 1 in the formative booklet and we've already done the 2D shapes, you need to scroll down to task 2. Task 2, you need to transform the 2D shapes you've done in task 1 into objects, into 3D objects shown in the figure here. The dimensions, the height of these objects is determined here. The square base pyramid, the height should be 8 centimeter, and the other shapes, the other objects heights are here. Let's start with the square base pyramid. So I need to draw a pyramid to transform the square into a four-sided pyramid. How can I do this? I go first to scenes. I make sure to choose the parallel projection, and I choose the isometric view. I choose the isometric view so I can see the shapes as 3D shapes. So I use the pencil tool to define the center of the square. Then from the center I move my cursor upward to be parallel to the blue axis to define the height. The height should be, as in the task, the height should be 8 centimeters. So I press on my keyboard 8 and I press enter. So this is the top point of the pyramid. I may orbit, can you see? I can press on this tool, orbit tool, and I can orbit around the objects. Now I press the pencil tool again, and I need to close this pyramid from the top point to each corner. I draw lines so it will be a closed pyramid. I move through orbit tool around the object to make sure it's closed from all sides. So the square pyramid tool is done. Now I go back to scenes again to make sure it's on the isometric view. Then I go to the rectangular prism. The height should be 4 centimeters. I use the push and pull tool. I select on the surface and I define that I need to add the height upward without pressing again. I need to define the height. The height should be, as mentioned, the height should be 4 centimeters. So 4, enter. The cylinder height should be 6 centimeters, the same as the rectangular prism. I press on the circle surface by using the push and pull tool and I move upward. I define number 6, the height, and I press enter. The pentagonal prism height should be 6 centimeters. This one should be 6 centimeters. So I use the push and pull tool. I select on the surface, upward, define number 6 for the height on the keyboard, and I press enter. Okay, this is task number 2. Good luck.